MarineMax is such an amazing family to be a part of. We want to be able to provide the best experience for our customers. Once you decide on the vessel that you're purchasing, you'll have the opportunity to work with the business office. We're going to walk you through the next steps to get you out on the water.
Everybody that walks in the door has a dream. They want to fulfill this dream with a boat and with the lifestyle of boating. And so we try to make the buying experience a fun one. We smooth out all of the bumps in the road, provide all of the services that they may need and they may not know they need yet.
When financing a vessel with MarineMax, we're going to make sure that we walk you through every step of the way. We'll handle all of your financing, your insurance, your title and registration.
A lot of times you'll hear, I've got a guy, and we really like to be the team. We want to be the resource for our customer for all things boating.
We work with premier lenders, which allows us to choose a lender that's going to best fit your transaction. That allows us to handle all of the shopping for you. You won't have to bother calling numerous lenders. We'll handle all of that for you. With extended protection, we're able to extend the coverage on your vessel, your accessories. We can even schedule prepaid maintenance for you, as well as cosmetic protection on your vessel. When financing with MarineMax, we'll handle all of the shopping for you. We'll make it very convenient. We can make it turnkey for you and really provide you peace of mind and the whole purchasing process.